Mohammad Nihal, tell me.
Yeah, so my name is Mohammad Nihal. I'm from Nagur, Nagapattinam district. I have completed my schooling in Kaveri Public School, Karaikal, and in Modern Matriculation School. Currently, I'm pursuing BCom final year at the New College, Chennai. I stayed in hostel in Chennai, so yeah. Logistics came to my knowledge in like many ways. My first of all, I thank to my uncle who referred me to study logistics in my future. He insisted me to take if you want to go to take MBA, go take logistics and supply chain management. Don't go for finance and marketing like every other people go. So I searched the internet, what's about this thing, what's logistics and everything. So I came to a knowledge that it's a vast field. So there are lots and lots of job opportunities here. So BSLS came to my knowledge in like many ways. I even my hostel warden sir suggested, his name is Bilal sir. He suggested me to join BSLS, and even my friends who are all studied here suggested it's a good institution. You may heard about Suhaib, Mustaq.
Yeah, Suhaib, I know.
Mustaq is my senior. Suhaib is my hostel mate, my roommate. He suggested me. I think he completed last year.
Yeah.
He suggested me to take logistics. Even I searched internet for a good, well-reputed logistics institution. I know it's been only 4 to 5 years, but even I saw all the interviews of Jayashree ma'am in YouTube and stuff. So I came to knowledge that it's the best thing for me. So I decided to join BSLS. As you said, like even you guys are learning. I came here to learn. I hope I can get the best out of you guys. And to share my experience as well. Thank you so much first of all, thank you so much for conducting this class even at this kind of pandemic situation. Thank you.
Hey, you spoke awesome. Yeah, I'm really
awesome. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Absolutely. And the communication is at the confidence level.
Yes.
You have.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, he covered everything. Like it was all true, whatever he said. He said out of heart. He spoke his heart out, and he spoke really well. Good, Nihal.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
I mean, I
How
felt
did you
I was.
develop this communication? How did you develop this communication?
Sorry.
The communication எப்படி நீங்க develop பண்ணீங்க? Because normally I find students finding it difficult to communicate.
I don't know. Maybe I want to thank my English teacher from my 4th standard as well. So from there, I don't know, but I don't know exactly. But in this lockdown, like I've tried many things to communicate, to improve my communication. Like every other way, listening to podcasts, watching movies, listening songs, and even communicating actually using these social media apps as an advantage. That's the main thing. You can do it, yeah.
Impressive, very impressive, Nihal. Good work.
I think you should share how you did it, because people who are finding it difficult to communicate, they can.
I'm actually sharing with my friends to even can I take 2 minutes or I can?
Please,
I don't know.
Please go ahead.
So I've listened to a podcast called Real Life English Podcast. I just eagerly wanted to improve my English knowledge. So I came to a knowledge there is an app called Real Life English. So in that application, you can literally connect to everybody in the world who are willing to learn English. So I came to know about that app, and I even suggested, even 4 to 5 members here are my friends, Abdul Rahman Fayaz and Hadi Fazil. I suggested a few that application. In that application, there is a speaking event. Like you can connect to everybody in the world who want to learn English freely. So in the past like 1 month, I have spoke with 50 to 60 people around the world, even from South America, US, everything. So I just wanted to. I'm a very shy person at start, even at the college. So I just want to break all the barriers. That's the reason.
You speak like my professor.
No.
Absolutely awesome. We are impressed. Absolutely.
Great attitude, Nihal. Keep this up. You know, in the end, it's certainly the amount of effort you put in, you know, that really pays back. All of us trying to do one thing is different, but you taking that initiative and the words you said, you want to break that barrier. you are a shy person. Doesn't look like though. You are not coming across as a shy person at all. So great work. Good job. Keep it up.
So the App Store irka, Real Life English.
Yeah, yes, madam. But it's restricted to few time because the app is in development. So yeah, I think it's from 8:30 at the evening to 2:30 at night. It's available. You can connect with everybody in the world.
It's more
it's
like
randomly
Clubhouse
picked.
Maria. Clubhouse Maria.
Clubhouse, but you can access the video as well.
Okay.
Yeah, Clubhouse is also good. I am now using Clubhouse to improve my. There are
people
24
are going
hours.
mad with this Clubhouse.
24 hours English learning. That's the main thing. Yeah. So I don't want to take more time. There are a few other people's. Okay. Thank you so much.
No, you really helped, and you broke the boundaries that people from tier 2 or tier 3 cities. We generally have a perception in the mind that their language is not good or anything. You broke that barrier in my mind mentally, honestly.
Actually, a lot of people lose opportunity because of communication.
Yes.
Right? The recent examples, technically they are very sound. Attitude-wise, they are fabulous. But they are unable to communicate to people because we are in international logistics. Communication plays a very, very important role, both verbal and written. ரெண்டுமே ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். So good. I mean, I think you shared a very important information. People who really want to improve, there are apps, and it is more of your personal involvement which helps you to break the, we call it breaking the glass ceiling and the madri. Right. Great, Neha. All the best. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammad Nihal. You are a great resource for rest of the group because they will learn a lot if they try to use you as a resource. In period where toxic Magadhan is using social media for dangerous purpose, you are using social media for improving yourself, okay, which is an example that social media is needed. It is a double-edged sword. How you use it is in your hands. So you have used it in the right way. I can see the benefit you have derived. Let me tell you one thing. For logistics, you need not be a technical technocrat. All you need is only two things. One, sound English and high common sense to apply on basic logistics techniques. There are techniques, it is somewhere in between. Logistics ரொம்ப technical கிடையாது, non-technical கிடையாது. Somewhere in between, but a lot of technicalities are there. But அதை எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணி நல்ல கேரியர் வரலாம்னா, one, high common sense, presence of mind. Okay? Because no problems will be the same. Each problem will be unique. Suppose you have an answer sheet with you, the questions will be different. That's how this industry is about. ஏற்கனவே இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணேன்னு நினைச்சிருப்பீங்க, ஆனா இப்ப வந்த ப்ராப்ளம் அது மாதிரி இருக்காது. அதை அப்ளை பண்ணலாமா, அதே டெம்ப்ளேட் மாதிரி ப்ரோட்டோடைப்பா யூஸ் பண்ணலாமா, முடியாது. So language is one thing which can make you really successful. Number two, high common sense and presence of mind. Okay, great.